back to my YouTube channel. Today we have special guest. Chicken! Her name is Emily. Also my sister. Today she's gonna climb up the fridge. Alright, so first you put your hands on the trash can. Then she backs up. And
Can I lift one leg up?
Then two.
Get up.
Jump, 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 jumps. And then put your feet on that, and then your hand on that. I never tried that. I'll hold you like this. All right, go.
I think I can do it.
Oh.
Wait, and then stop, and then stop, and then stop. Yeah, and then stop, and then stop.
My turn. Right, I'm doing this one first. Too hard.
How does she do that? You just put your foot in this.
Yeah.
Then you lift your other foot up and try and climb up the foot. Just climb around the hole. You doing it! Oh, you
Let me do the other way. All right, move it, big sissy.
Mia, that way is so hard.
I'll do it this way.
Okay. Guys, do another word button on here.
All right.
Chicken.
Well, please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.